Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the lowest common multiple of the following expression. So for 6y and 4y, we will actually use what we have learned previously for prime factorization. Okay, so my 6y will be equals to 2 times 3 times y. And my 4y will be equals to 2 times 2, 2 power 2 times y. And from here, my LCM will be equals to, when we find the lowest common multiple, we make sure that we choose the highest power. So in this case, 2 power 2. We also choose 3. And we also choose y. And so, for lowest common multiple, in this case, the final answer would be 2 squared times 3 times y will be 12y. And we have come to the end of this part of the video. Feel free to subscribe if you like the video. And let's move on to the next example. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the LCM of the following. So I'm going to express the two numbers as their prime factors for the coefficient and separately as their variable. So 2ab is equals to 2 times a times b. 8bc is equals to 8 will be equals to 2 times 2 times 2, 2 power 3, all the prime factors, times b times c. And now, in order to find my LCM, we will have to choose all the factors that can be found in both terms. Meaning, I would then have to find the, when I compare, I do have to make sure that I choose the prime factors that has the highest power. A compared with nothing, I will choose my A. B and B, doesn't matter which one, we just need to choose one B. And of course, C and nothing, I will choose C. And finally, this will be 8ABC. This will be the lowest common multiple for these two terms. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Let's move on to the next example. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the LCM of the following expression. I'm going to express them in their prime factorization. This will be 5 times x. 5x power 2 is equals to 5 times x power 2. And to find the LCM, we just need to find the one that has the higher power. So this is what I would then find. X power 2 and x, I would choose x power 2. And therefore, my lowest common multiple for these two expressions will be 5x squared. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and remember to click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching as we move on to the next example. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the problem where we are required to find the LCM of the following. I'm going to express as a prime factorization of the two terms. So 6c power 3d power 2 will be equals to 2 times 3 times c power 3 times d power 2. my 8CD will be equals to 2 power 3. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2 times my C times my D. And now, in order to find my LCM, I do need to choose the one that has the highest power. 2 power 3. 3 compared with nothing is 3 is the higher power. C power 3, D power 2. And therefore, this will give me a value of 24. C power 3, D power 2. Let's move on to the next example. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the problem where we are required to find the LCM, lowest common multiple, of 3m and 5n. So for this, I'm going to express them as their respective prime factor. And from here, we just have to make sure that we choose the factors that can be found in both terms. So I will have to choose 3 and m. I will also have to choose my 5 and my n. So for this particular example, the lowest common multiple will be 15 mn. Alright. Let's move on to the next example. Alright, to find the lowest common multiple of the following, do take note that we just need to make sure that for a lowest common multiple, we must have all the factors of the two terms. And in this case, we do need to see this as 1. So for this particular question, I just need to make sure I have b and also b minus 1. And that will satisfy the lowest common multiple for this example here. Let's move on to the next. Hello everyone, for this part of the problem where we try to find the LCM of the following, do take note I would see this as one factor, and this is another factor, and therefore for the LCM, this will be equals to x plus 3, x minus 2. And that will be the LCM for this part of the problem. And let's move on to more examples. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the problem where we are required to find the LCM of the following algebraic expression. So I would already have the x minus 2, but let's focus on this though. If we can factorize any of the expression, we always factorize. Alright, so 3x minus 6 is equals to, I know that there is a common factor 3, and I'm left with x minus 2. And I also have, let's go back to this. And for this, x minus 2 is equals to x minus 2. And therefore, for our LCM of these two terms, I must choose the 3. I must also choose the x minus 2. Alright. And that will be the LCM for these two terms. As we move on to the next example. Alright, so as mentioned previously, every time we see an algebraic expression, we must always try to see, can we factorize the terms? And actually we could in this quiz. 3b minus 12 will be take out 3 as the common factor, and I'm left with b minus 4. And let's turn our attention to b squared minus 16. And at this point, do remember that there's this special product, a squared minus b squared equals to a plus b, a minus b. And our b squared minus 16, I could rewrite them as b squared minus 4 squared. And applying this special result, then I could rewrite it as b plus 4, b minus 4, which is what I am going to do now. And I saw that there is a b minus 4 and there is a b plus 4. And so, now that we are in all their factors, then we can find the lowest common multiple, where we must make sure we select all the factors of both terms without double counting them. Alright? And so, this will then be my lowest common multiple for the two terms here. Alright, let's move on to the next example. Everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the lowest common multiple of the following. And I'm going to just express them in their factors. And so for 12 x cubed y squared, let's break it them down. For the numbers will be the prime numbers, 2 power 2 times 3. And for the variable, let's continue to write it down. So for my 18 x squared, 18 would then be 2 multiplied by 3 times power 2, and also we do still have the x power 2, and then we can start to find our lowest common multiple, where we try to find the factors that have the highest power, the higher power. For 3 compared with 3 power 2, it will be 3 power 2, x power 2 compared with x power 3, y power 2 with nothing. And this will be my lowest common multiple, which will be equals to 36 x cubed y squared. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.